All right, guys, I'm going to jump right into this video, and I'm actually going to be logging in live to one of my affiliate accounts so you can actually see what I just generated a few minutes ago. So this is one of my affiliate accounts, and you can kind of see net to me. I generated $177.30. The gross sales was $197. You can see I took the lion's share of that actual affiliate commission. It's another great product that I'm selling as a mid-ticket offer that gives very generous commissions in terms of its payout. But the reason why I want to make this video, and the reason why I've been making the last few videos, is I've been able to start generating these mid-ticket offers, anywhere between $100, $200 or more, due to list segmentation. This has all to do with email marketing and list segmentation. And I'm going to take another minute to just review it with you guys. And then I'm going to show you how you can actually get started doing the same exact thing, where you can actually start promoting low ticket offers to build a buyer's list and then segment those buyers into another list in which you can start making more mid-ticket to high ticket sales. So it's going to jump right into my little diagram. All right, guys, so let's going to jump right into this video. And in this video, I'm actually going to be talking about a software that I've just recently started utilizing that has made email marketing a lot more easier. It's made it more efficient, and thus I'm able to start generating more of these mid-ticket offers more consistently. And so that's what I want to talk about today. So first of all, let's start off with the traffic. So, I'm going to break this down really quick and really easy. So I know it looks like a lot of boxes right here, but let's just walk through it really quick. Obviously, with any affiliate marketing campaign, you're going to start with traffic. Now, with this software that I'm using, I'm going to show you guys the software in a second once we run through this diagram. It's called Opt-in Dojo, and it does a couple different things. So in terms of traffic, Opt-in Dojo will basically track the responsiveness of your traffic. So it'll track like the people that are opening your emails, that are clicking your emails, that are actually buying your products as well. So when you think about traffic, especially if, for instance, you're buying solo ads, and say you're buying a solo ad from vendor A, that's a terrible looking A, and say you have vendor B and you have vendor C, right? And they're all sending you traffic. Well, Opt-in Dojo can track all of this traffic coming into your funnel, and Opt-in Dojo will spit out data that actually tells you which of these vendors, A, B, or C, has the most opens, has the most clicks, and then who is buying as well, of course. So that in itself is amazing, because a lot of times we just buy traffic, but we don't know which person is really delivering the most responsive leads, the leads that are opening, clicking, and of course buying. So the traffic comes into the funnel. Of course, we're going to be sending them to a squeeze page. We're going to be building our list, and we're going to be sending out email promotions to that list. Once they opt in, of course, we're going to send them to the squeeze page. But of course, we all know that most people aren't going to purchase your offer on the first time they're seeing it. They need to see it an average of 5 to 7 times before they actually make a buying decision. So that's why you gotta have this email follow-up campaign, so that you can email these folks that are opting into your autoresponder multiple times back to the offer. And what I recommend is that you're sending low ticket offers, especially if you're doing solo ads, right? So if you're doing solo ads, these people don't know you. They're coming in very cold. They just opted into your page because they were curious, and now they saw an offer. And so I would recommend selling a low ticket offer so that you can just see if they can put a little bit of skin in the game, see if they're even interested. There's a lot of looky lures and freebie seekers. So you send them a low ticket offer. We're talking something like $10, less than 20 for sure, no more than 20. And then you want to see if those people buy. Now, if they buy, great. So we're over here now, and you have a buyer, so we made some money if they purchase. Now, typically at this point, you wouldn't know, as in a regular affiliate campaign, you wouldn't know who that buyer is. Like if I'm selling something on ClickBank, if I'm selling something on Warrior Plus or one of these other affiliate networks, I make a sale. Like it's great, I made a commission, right? But I don't know who that lead is per se, right? And it's important to know who that lead is. And again, what Opt-in Dojo does is Opt-in Dojo will actually tell you who that person is, who that lead is, who that email address that purchased. And it automatically moves that buyer onto another list. I mean, you can call it like buyer's list C, right? So that's another list. So while you're doing your promotions of your low ticket offers, some of those people are going to start converting and you're going to make some money, and then they're going to be automatically moved to your buyer's list C. And this is important for two reasons. So A, you know who this person is, and you actually know what product they purchased, because I know some of you guys are promoting a lot of different products. So you know who this lead is, you know what product they purchased. And so that could make you make different decisions in terms of the next offer that you send them. The other thing is that you're getting them off of this kind of raw low ticket list. And because if they made a buying decision on a certain product or course that you're selling and they bought a low ticket offer, they are likely wanting to get more value and kind of move down the whole trajectory of their affiliate marketing journey. And with that, they'll probably need another course that's going to help them, bring more value to them. That's going to help them do more done for you. It could be coaching involved, something that's going to basically bring them more value. And for that, obviously, you're going to be likely sending them products that cost more. So like these mid-ticket offers, and that's what I've been talking about. So once they're on this buyer's list C, of course, you're going to be doing the same exact thing. You're going to be sending them emails of mid-ticket offers, right? And then hopefully they will go on and purchase your mid-ticket offer, and then they can be moved on to what we call a buyer's list A, and then you can go ahead and start sending them high-ticket offers. But each one of these are different lists. You have your low ticket offers, then you have your mid ticket offers, and then you have your high ticket offers. And each of these lists you can treat differently, right? So again, with the software Opt-in Dojo, it does multiple different things. And of course, like I said, it can show you the responsiveness of your traffic, so you can see all that data. It can move those buyer leads to different buyer lists, so you can talk to those different lists differently. You can send different offers. If they bought a $10 product on Facebook marketing and maybe you have a mid-ticket offer that brings more value, that you can send to that particular lead a Facebook course. Or you can have just an automated campaign set up for your mid-ticket offers, an automated campaign set up for your high-ticket offers, and so on and so forth. But the point I'm trying to make is that with the Opt-in Dojo software, it just makes your job much easier. It makes it much more succinct, and you can kind of see the data and you can make decisions off the data versus just trying to guess what am I going to promote and blasting people. Even with the low ticket offers, like if I've sold them a low ticket offer already, well, I may want to keep sending that low ticket offer to this raw list. But if they already bought, now they're just getting emails that bring them no value because they already purchased it, if that makes sense. So you want to definitely make sure that they're automatically moved to another list where they can actually see different offers and kind of go down that whole path. So let's going to jump over to Opt-in Dojo and let me show you guys what that looks like. All right, so this is the Opt-in Dojo software. And again, like I said, it can track email openers, clickers, buyers. It does a lot of different automation. Opt-in Dojo can even track the actual email that sent the sale. So if you're testing out different email swipe copy and one particular email made a sale or made a couple sales, but then you could save that email to be like, okay, this was a good subject line and a good body copy. And so I'm going to save this and I'm going to send that email more because it generated a sale. So it gets very intricate. And again, the data can cause you to make other decisions. Now, this is the software here. how do you get everything integrated? I had questions about that, and I actually purchased a course. The course that I purchased was this course called Passive Income Profits. This affiliate marketer named Benjamin Gall, he's been in the game for a long time. He has a list of about 100,000 people, and he teaches you how to integrate Opt-in Dojo with your autoresponder, with your funnel. Everything is integrated so that it will work like how we talked about it in the diagram. Not only that, as he shows you all about email marketing, affiliate marketing, funnel setup. He talks about traffic generation. He goes in depth into solo ads, social media marketing, both paid and free, Google ads, Microsoft advertising, and all of these, they're like long modules. You can see, like if I click on one, you'll see all of these modules. Everything is like super in depth and step by step in the whole course. Now, if you want to pick up that course to learn about how I put my Opt-in Dojo to work, you can go over to his website, and I'll link all of these websites in the description. And this is his basic sales page. It's called Passive Income Profits. He does have 3 different levels of membership, depending on what you want it to do. But what I'm talking to you guys about is just the Beginners Club membership, and it's only $7. So the $7 is what 100 training videos, and it shows you all about the email marketing training, social media, paid ads, course creation, all of the above. Everything I just kind of showed you in this course here too. And I left out that he even shows you how to create your own course if that's what you want to do. But definitely you're going to learn a lot about email marketing, how to integrate Opt-in Dojo so that you can segment your lists. You can see the traffic, the data, the lead sources that are going to be the most that you want to continue to buy from because they're more responsive, and so on and so forth. So I recommend that all you guys click the link below, get into Passive Income Profits. Like I said, this is the $7 Beginners Club. That's all you really need to get that information. It's going to walk you through step by step on how to set up this software. You see that I've been generating for the last few days. I've been posting these videos about these mid-ticket offers, and this is because I'm segmenting my list. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Again, I'll have all the links in the description of this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. If you like videos like this and you want to know more about my campaigns and how I'm working them, make sure you let me know that in the comment section, and I'll go more into depth in terms of my campaigns, the traffic, and everything else. See you guys next time.